Welcome back to the VST channel, guys. This thing here is the S25 Ultra running the One UI 7 Android 15, and this beast here is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra HyperOS version 2 Android 15 as well. And in this video I'm going to cover the log video. I'm going to also show you a sample. So now both phones can do 10-bit log video. Okay, first things first, what the hell is log video? And then second, why 10-bit? So guys, when you enter inside the camera of the S25 Ultra, now luckily with the One UI 7 update, also in the S24 Ultra, there's going to be something called log here. And the moment you switch this on, you're going to immediately see how the video gets somehow desaturated. So the log video is a flatter video, right? And the idea is that it should be able, in theory, to be capturing more dynamic range. So after this, when you color grade a video, right? Let me just do an example. After this, in post-production, when you apply different LUTs, right, or color grading, you should be able to just get better results. So it's not to be mistaken with raw video, because log video is still processed video, guys. But the thing is, with color grading, you should be able to get better dynamic range and in general better results. The S25 Ultra, by the way, has this option directly to be able to color the video. So you see now the video becomes more saturated, more natural looking, and this is because the S25 Ultra can apply, I think, one LUT default directly via phone. And by the way, Samsung released 2 LUT files available for free download, and you can use those LUTs and your tools like DaVinci or Adobe Premiere or whatever you are using to color grade the video in post-production, which is actually quite nice. All right, so this is the first thing, guys. This is why you might want to use a log video, to just get a flatter image initially, and then hopefully get also better dynamic range. Still, again, the constraints is this is not raw video, so it's not directly information from the sensor. There is still processing applied, but you can see the benefits, right? You have plenty of options when you color grade a video in post-production, and then hopefully also eventually a better result, better dynamic range, meaning better highlights, better shadows, better colors. Yeah, you get the point. I want to show you guys how this thing works on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So first I need to go to the Pro camera and then go for the video camera, and then select here where I have the log option, right? Everything else that's on the screen, disregard it, focus speaking, something else. When I click the log video, guys, I can also change the resolution. Now the thing is, there are some advantages here in the Xiaomi 15 Ultra that are not available on the S25 Ultra, and I want to show you just a video that I've taken some hours ago. So this is here the absolutely log video. All right, now first things first, what are those advantages? Now, let me tell you guys, when I go back in my gallery, right, and I press the video and I try to edit the video, right, and when I go inside the filters, I have already 3 options, the Rec 709, the Viv, which is vivid, and then also natural. But there are more options. You can see I can click here custom and try to import my own LUT files, or I can even go and choose another thing, like it's a filter, like a Leica filter, or let's say a film filter. So you have plenty of options, but if we just probably want to do it via a LUT file, let's select the Rec 709. So let's go for this one. You can see now my video is properly saturated and it looks like a proper video. But what I do like is that when I double click it, guys, and see here, this is really good. So when I double click the LUT file, right, I can decide the intensity. So now this is the non-graded footage, and boom, this is the graded footage. So this is the Rec 709. This is the vivid, and you can see it's going to even further saturate the grass. And we have also the natural look. All right, I'm gonna just wait for the perfect moment to illustrate how all these LUTs matter. All right, and this is gonna be the perfect moment. So see here, guys, this is the vivid. All right, I can just tone it down. Now this is the pure log video. All right, 100% vivid. This is the natural, and you can see natural look goes for a more realistic colors. And this is again the non-color graded log video, and this is the Rec 709. I really like Rec 709, guys, this color profile, because it's somewhere between the vivid, which is too saturated, and not so dull as the natural. So now, guys, what I'm gonna do, right, I am going to use the Rec 709 to color grade this whole video, and then, guys, you're gonna be able to see the end result, as this video is all about the 10-bit video and the log video. But I didn't answer one important question, and this question is, why 10-bit and what is the differences? So let me open a video I shot directly with my stock camera. So this here is the video information, guys. It's 60 FPS, we can see this HEVC. When we scroll down, guys, there's gonna be also the information on the bit depth. And this video here is 8 bits. And this is typically the standard video that is used in most of the consumer grade cameras, smartphones of course included. And this allows up to 256 levels per RGB channel, which results into something more, slightly more than 16 million colors, which is absolutely enough, you know, like for everyday use. I've now loaded my 10-bit log video, guys, and you can see the bit depth here is 10 bits. With 10 bits video, you can now use up to 1024 levels per RGB channel, which results slightly above 1 billion colors, right? And typically, again, for viewing purposes, you might not notice anything, but when you start to apply different loots and color grade it, the 8-bit footage can collapse sooner or earlier than the 10-bit, which means bending, which also means color degradation. So 10-bit log video is certainly better for post-production and for color grading. You'll preserve more color. You also preserve a better video quality overall. So I really hope that in a nutshell I was able to answer the question, what is 10-bit video versus 8-bit video, and what is log video versus non-log video. And now, guys, please enjoy the color graded sample from the 4K 60 FPS 10-bit log video from the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to also watch my full Xiaomi 15 Ultra camera review. And don't forget, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra will soon arrive at this table, and then we're gonna battle the 1-inch Ultra Chinese monster camera phone. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and now enjoy the footage. Xiaomi 15 Ultra, guys, 4K 60 FPS log video. This thing here is 10-bit, by the way. It's time to see what the Xiaomi 15 Ultra can do when you're using the Pro camera. So this is the Pro video camera, guys, where you can choose log video, and you can also choose 4K 60 FPS for that log video. Not bad at all. You're gonna see also the graded version on your screen, but from time to time also the unedited one for reference. Now, when I'm doing 4K 60 log, I am stuck on the main camera. I can manipulate still the shutter speed, the ISO, and the white balance and the autofocus, but I'm only able to go up to 6x, and this is going to be a crop from the main camera, guys. So when you're using 4K 60 log, you're not able to change all the lenses, but you can do log video also from the other lenses as well. I'm gonna give you that nice scenery view. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about that video. I'm gonna zoom here on the grass a bit. All right, and now it's time to test also the autofocus and the stabilization. Let me run towards the tree. Let's check the stabilization and the autofocus. I'm gonna try to do it manual. All right, refocus manual. Okay, I'm just doing this by tapping on the screen. Very good bokeh, guys, that's for sure. All right, and now also autofocus, so didn't really have to touch the screen. Volume adjustment. Okay, this also works. I am now using the highest one. This is 50. Okay. And guys, we have also correction on the EV, the exposure. Okay, this is me going from -3 to +3. And of course we have also the shutter speed. All right, so you can see now I've changed shutter speed. Of course this changes the whole exposure. And we have also the ISO. So this is lowest ISO 50, and we can crank it up, wow, to what is like 120, 12,800. This is the maximum that you can do, and also the white balance. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys, and don't forget to watch my full Xiaomi 15 Ultra camera comparison versus the 16 Pro Max and the S25 Ultra. And very soon the Oppo Find X8 Ultra is also going to arrive on my desk, and I can't wait to battle the phones with the Sony LIT 900 with the 1-inch camera main sensor, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.